like low-key obsessed with this hair right now. I don't know why. I like it a lot. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today we're doing a get unready with me because as you can see right now, I have a full face of makeup on my face and I'm getting ready to take it off. I've never done a get unready with me. I've done get ready with me's, but never the opposite. So I'm very excited, and the reason that I am so excited is I got 3 new items to try to take my makeup off with, so I'm very excited. But yeah, you guys, if you would like to get unready with me, then keep on watching. So I don't really know how this works. I'm assuming it just kind of works the same way as I get ready with me, but you're taking the makeup off. I'm gonna start. I got this little bow, this little hair thing in the BoxyCharm last month, so I'm just gonna use that and just put that around my head. There we go. It's so cute too. It's like a little bow. So yeah, I'm gonna put that around my head to get my hair out of my. What's that? What is that? Oh, it's a little piece of fuzz. So I've got that around, and what I wanted to show you guys is that I got 3 new items from Glamglow. I've never used Glamglow before in my life, so this is the very first time trying them out, so I am very excited. This is the actual box that it came in. I'm sorry, that was not very professional. Because right now a lot of places and a lot of companies in like Sephora, Glamglow, Tatcha, Drunk Elephant, all of them, or even like makeup brands as well, they're all running like specials right now, and they're doing like bundle deals. So I saw this one on Sephora.com and I got it off of the app, and it is the Hollywood, California is where it's from. It's the Glamglow, The Art of Glowing Skin Hydration Dream Team Set. And if you do not know this about me, my skin is as dry as the Sahara Desert. It is so dry, so I picked this one up. I'm very excited to give it a shot. What it has a full size of the Waterburst moisturizer, which is this right here. So a full size of this. See that, and it is a really heavy-duty moisturizer. It says apply evenly to freshly clean face, neck, and morning and night. So it's a anytime moisturizer. And then I got like a deluxe travel size of the Glamglow Galacticleanse. It's a cleanser. So basically it is a hydrating jelly balm cleanser. This is what it looks like right here. And that is gonna be so much fun. So basically I think it's like one of those that you just rub and it like melts your makeup off. It like turns it into goop. I'm so excited to try that out. And then this right here is a small little travel size of the Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment Mask. Basically it is a mask that you put on your face for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then you just rub the remainder into your skin, or you can wipe it off. But it says to use this 2 to 3 times a week because it is a intense treatment. So if you do it too often, it could break you out. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it, you guys. I'm super excited. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and take the makeup off. So this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze a little bit of this cleanser. Oh, it's like gray. Okay. So I think that's probably enough. I don't want to use too much. Oh, look. Well, you can't really see it anymore, but it's got like little, it looks like a galaxy. Like it's black. It's got like little flecks. Can you see this? I don't want it to fall off, but like, can you see that? It's got like little specks of like tiny little glitters in it. It's really cute. So we're just gonna, it's like black. Do I need to like rinse my face first or make it wet? I don't know. Whew. And then we'll go over the eyes. This is the part that I love, where it just turns like everything into mud. Yes. And then we'll get down here. Oh wow, I took that lipstick off like nobody's business. But I basically got this off, so I'm just gonna go to the sink and rinse it off and just kind of use a little bit more and get all of it off my face, and then rinse the rest of this off. So BRB. Alright you guys, I'm back. I washed my face off. I used this cleanser. Again, used a little bit more and got everything off, and then I just took a little bit of my normal like face wash that I use on my face and just mixed it in with it and just got the rest of it off. I like it. I like it a lot. I think it's really fun, you know, to get all of it off in like a jelly consistency. I think it's really fun. I know they have another one that's like tropical. Like this one's the Galactic one, and they have another one that's like a tropical one. I want to try both of them. Well, I've tried this one, but I want to try the other one too. That one's gonna be fun as well. Next I have the Glamglow. This is the Thirsty Mud Mask. So we're just gonna go ahead, dump a little bit on. I don't really know how much I need. Maybe like that. It's probably a little too much actually. It feels really good. Like it feels really smooth. Oh, that feels so smooth. I love this. Okay, for the record, none of this is sponsored by Glamglow or anything. They did not send me this. I bought this with my own money. I'm really liking it. I just really like it. Now I can already tell that it is kind of not burning, but like it is getting a little warm. And it actually does say to avoid the eye area. So let me actually go back and kind of take a little bit off of there. I just remembered that. So if you do use this, avoid your eye area, because I'm stupid and forgot. So this is not a like peel off mask or anything like that. Once you're done with it, you just rub it into your skin, or you can like wipe it off with a towel or something. But it says to leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna do just that, and I will see you in about 10 minutes. Alrighty you guys, it actually has been about 20 minutes since we last spoke, and I basically just let this dry into my skin. It feels like a smidgen tacky, but it stopped, like I said before. It kind of felt a little warm, like it kind of like burned a little bit, but that went away after like 5 minutes, and my skin feels like butter. Like butter. It feels really good. I like it a lot. It does seem like it works really well. My skin feels very, very soft and very moisturized. So what we're going to do last is we are going to be using the Glamglow Waterburst Moisturizer. This is basically what I got the entire like bundle set for, was for this moisturizer, because I currently use the Tarte Maracuja oil as like an all over moisturizer, which is great, but since it is getting into like the fall and more winter months, it's not really doing the job anymore. So I need something a little more heavy duty, and this is what we're going to be getting into now. And when you unscrew it, it's got a little top right here that's got some product already on it. So I may just go ahead and just get the product that's on this and just put it on my face. It is blue when you look at it, so like I have already used this, just to let you know, but it's kind of blue when you look at it. It looks really, really cool. So I'm actually just gonna take what's on the little insert here and not have to use what's in the actual pot, and then just rub it right in. And it feels like really moisturizing on the skin. It's kind of thin by itself, which is not bad. It's still very moisturizing, but it's not a super, super thick moisturizer. I know in the past that I've used super thick ones, and those work just fine, but it's up to you, whichever one you like prefer. Do you like really thick moisturizers, or do you like more thin ones? This one is a thinner moisturizer. It kind of like has, this is gonna sound super weird, but like whenever you're rubbing it in, it starts to feel like water on your skin, kind of, because it is thinner, but it definitely does give you a lot of moisture. And guys, that is pretty much it for this. I am really, really liking this stuff a lot. If you've never tried Glamglow, then I would highly recommend giving them a shot. They are really good, especially right now since it's the holiday season and they're running all those specials with those bundles and everything. Those are really, really good to, you know, to get and use. And I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I really hope that you did enjoy getting unready with me. I think this is really, really fun. I think I'm gonna do these like more in the future, because I think they're really fun taking my makeup off on camera, and then I want to do more like get ready with me as well, putting the makeup on. But yeah, if you did like the video, then please go ahead and click up that like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.